Has your toilet seen better days? Is it loose or does it leak all over your bathroom floor? The culprit is most likely a worn-out closet flange that is in need of repair. Unfortunately, calling a plumber can be expensive and you don't always get great service. It will be clear to see if there is damage to the flange once the water is turned off and the toilet has been removed. Superior Tools corrosion-resistant super ring is designed to give your toilet back the solid foundation it needs. Other repair flanges on the market are thinner and don't come equipped with 4 offset tabs that extend out beyond the standard mounting hole locations. The super ring provides a wider footprint if the subfloor has been damaged by a leak directly under the flange. Simply apply a bead of silicone sealant to the top side of the old flange, assemble the new 1/4 inch or 5/16 inch closet bolts in the slots on the super ring, and secure it down with 4 screws. Once you have reinstalled a new wax ring, apply silicone around the base of the toilet and set the toilet into position. Snug the closet bolt nuts and cut the bolts off with a small hacksaw. The super ring is patented and made right here in the USA. So remember, the next time you repair or replace your toilet, make sure to include a super ring in your list of materials. You'll be glad you did.